Let's prepare to meditate. In this meditation, we will be lying down. Find a big space for yourself where you're not touching anyone else and lie down on your back. Rest your arms and hands on the ground beside you so that you aren't using a single muscle to hold them up. Let your hands be soft and fall open naturally. Adjust your shoulders so that they come away from your ears. Adjust your back so that it is tall and straight. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Imagine the ground beneath you is soft as your bed, or soft as the favorite part of your couch. Take a few deep breaths, and with each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the comfortable surface beneath you. We are going to make our bodies feel heavy in order to relax. Turn all of your focus now to one of your arms. Imagine it getting heavy. Let it feel heavier with every breath. Imagine it sinking deeper into the floor. Nice and heavy. Now let's try the other arm. Relax it fully and let it be heavy. Heavy as stone. Turn your attention to the muscles of your chest. Soften your muscles here. Relax your chest fully and let the muscles of your chest feel heavy. Breathe deeply. Now for your stomach. Relax the muscles on the outside of your stomach. Let them feel soft and breathe deeply. Let these muscles feel heavy. Now imagine the muscles inside of your stomach. Release all the tension here and relax these muscles. Now feel them becoming heavy. Focus on one leg now. Relax it. Soften it. Now feel it becoming heavy. Even heavier. Relax the other leg now. Make it soft. And now let it feel heavy. Heavier. Relax fully. Now you feel your whole body becoming heavy. Let your body become heavier. Heavy and heavier. Now just take a moment to be still and enjoy this relaxed and heavy feeling. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.